YouTube, welcome back to another UO vlog video. In today's vlog, we're at a waterfall called Kursunlu Waterfall in Antalya. So welcome to Kursunlu Waterfall. This is the second waterfall I have visited in Antalya. Kursunlu Waterfall is a great choice for a peaceful and relaxing day in nature. You can also not only look at the waterfall, but you can take a walk around to explore the flowing waters that create small ponds. You can also invite your friends and family, have a nice picnic under the shade of pine trees. So over time, because the visitors and tourists come, so Kursunlu Waterfall has its facilities. There's a parking lot available at the entrance. There's a playground area for kids and children. There are pony rides, which I showed in the beginning of the video, for children, and also camel rides for adults. There's, of course, for the needs, you need a bathroom. There's cafe, restaurants, there's Turkish ice cream. You can take great photos and enjoy the calmness in the observation terraces as well. It's a clean place and it is clean enough to see the fish swimming in the stream. Now to get here, you can have a private vehicle. So after you arrive at the Antalya airport, there'll be like road signs that will lead you to the place, which will around like take 10-15 minutes to get to the entrance of the national park. If you don't have a car and you still want to get here through public transportation, that is also possible. There are minibus numbers 230 and 231 to get to the Kursunlu Waterfall. There's also bus number 79, which can take you to the same place. So just keep these numbers in mind. And you can also ask around for some help on where you can take these buses. Kursunlu Waterfall falls 18 meters. It is the tallest waterfall in the canyon. Actually, there is not a single waterfall here. You will see a number of small waterfalls that form 7 small ponds, which I'll be showing later in the video. Although the water decreases a little in the summer season, the waterfall will still enchant you during any season. Now, there's also of course, there's landscape to the place. So Kursunlu Waterfall has a marvelous landscape where you can see interesting rock formations meeting with flowing waters, and it is home to a lot of species, including ducks. So if you love ducks, also don't forget to bring some bread to feed the ducks, because they allow that. Just keep in mind that after you visit the waterfall, the small waterfall and the large one, there is you can go all the way around keep going, follow the trail, and it's a very long walk, a 10 to 15 minute walk, just to get to the exit. But if you come back to where you entered from, then that'd be easier. But yeah, the choice is yours. If you want to have an extra walk and have fun, go walk through the nature, yeah, have the trail to yourself, then yeah, the choice is yours. Alright guys, unfortunately I am ending the vlog here, so make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, go ahead and like this video, and I'll be posting more Antalya vlogs later on, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog video. Bye!